So the Clinkscale, it's, a very iconic building in the middle of Old Town Jerome. And it was originally built in 1899 as the Clinkscale Mercantile. And the Clinkscale came from the name of the original owners.
We wanted to bring back the old historic with an elevated modern flair, eating experience that's modern American, as well as a little twist of France.
The Clinkscale is all about the attention to detail in our design, in the architecture, in the building, in the views, food, beverage, service. And above all, it's a way that a guest feels when they walk through our doors. Our music, the smells, fresh baked cinnamon rolls.
The colors that happen in the dish. You want to remember that maybe there was a cool garnish that they had no idea about. It's about all the little pieces that add up to the whole dish. It's about the fried rosemary sprig that was toasted. It's about the toasted pine nuts. It's the fact that we bring fresh microgreens locally from Jerome.
Fresh fried beignets, the sound of a spoon in a cocktail glass, stirring your Manhattan.
Come to our table, come over to our house, and that's how we treat each and every customer, like you're coming to my house for dinner. We want them to feel that way.
I want you to come here and I don't want you to leave hungry. That's the goal.
The rooms upstairs already were themed and named, and all we did was modernize them a little bit with keeping the elements of history as well.
You go upstairs, it's kind of an eerie hallway with some flickering lights. When you unlock your room, same kind of lighting is what you're welcomed with. We have all the little touches, we fold our toilet paper and all of our towels into fans, so you feel like you're getting that elevated experience.
Whenever someone's gonna come to Clinkscale, I want them to experience a couple of things. I want them to experience getting that plate in front of them. And first, I want to bring out their phone and take a picture. Because if it's not picture worthy, I didn't do the first thing. Second thing, that first bite, I want them to go, oh my gosh. I want a full expression off the table and be like, I've never had something that tastes this good. And after that, I just want them to go around and tell everyone in Jerome, Arizona, and every one of their friends outside of this place that I had the best meal of my life at Clinkscale.
There won't be anything like us.